today we're going to be making vegan donuts.
Yep. It is going to be delicious.
Let's get started.
Vegan! Yay!
Welcome to the Vegan Kartel. The first thing to do is to set the oven 350.
Yeah. And then, what are the ingredients, Abigail?
So what we're going to need is powdered sugar. We're going to need self-rising flour. We're going to need sugar.
We're gonna need some vanilla milk, which is, we got some vanilla milk.
And
We're gonna need some coconut oil. We're gonna need some vanilla extract. And this has to be vegan.
we're going to need a spoon and a bowl.
Yep.
And 1/4.
I'm supposed to be saying this, okay?
And a half a cup. And a cup. And a tablespoon.
Teaspoon.
And we're going to need a pan. And we're going to need a donut pan.
And we're going to need
A bowl with a bag in it, a big bag in it, so we can put the batter in. So, let's get started. What is the first thing to do?
you have
To put a cup of self-rising flour.
a cup and 1/4. Oh, shake it out, shake it out.
That's 1 cup. Now, 1/4.
1/4 is coming.
Next, we're
Yes.
going to need 1/2 a cup of milk. One. Then, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil.
2 tablespoons. Let me see a tablespoon, have you?
One more.
And another one.
Next, we're going to need 1/4 cup of sugar.
Make some sugar. Okay, shake it down.
Next, we're going to
Then we have
mix
to
it
mix
up. So now we sprayed our pan, our
Yep.
donut pan.
Yep, and now we're
Now we're going to put the batter in
Inside.
the gallon.
in the gallon bag.
Mhm.
And this is, can you hold this? It's really sticky. Yep, and now we're done.
Make sure you spray your donut pan. Now we got our batter in our bag.
Yep.
I'm going to be squeezing it. to
But
the-
I
It's
really
round.
love donuts. Do you? Let us know in the comments what you want us to make next. Zara. And right now, Zara tea. Zara tea. And those donuts are looking really good.
No, it's raw. Z's turn.
Yep.
And make sure you click subscribe.
And hit the bell.
Ding ding. As you can see.
It's like Frosty. Squeezing Frosty.
But instead it's donut. After Razenzi is done putting the batter in, then we're gonna set the timer to 12 minutes. Then we're gonna put it in the oven. So what we're gonna do next is make our glaze. A bowl, powdered sugar,
And some vanilla. Milk.
plant-based
Milk. And we're gonna need some vanilla extract. And we're gonna need a tablespoon and a cup.
Ooh, and a half a teaspoon. So the first thing we're gonna do is put 1 cup of powdered sugar in the bowl.
Late powdered sugar. Last time our mom made some chocolate ones. They were so good. You should have. Ah! Dang it. I think I got some of it.
Now the next thing we're gonna do is
Milk. Gonna have
2 tablespoons of
a
milk.
milk. Milk. Okay, let's do this milk. Milk. Bye. Wasting milk. Wasting milk. Wow. Wasting milk.
Now the next thing is a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Haven't taken enough out of like 14.
14. Okay, now I'm gonna stir it up.
Yep. Look at that glaze already started. Look, that glaze is looking great.
4 more minutes on the timer.
Yep. Yes, I think it's good. You guys think it's good?
Took it out the oven
And now we let it sit for
5 minutes to cool down. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the
it
donut
out.
and dip it on one side. See, like this.
Yep.
And then we're gonna flip it over and put it on the paper.
Parchment paper.
Oop.
Dang. Wait a minute, how are you supposed to be doing it?
Just put it on one side,
So,
like this, and then
oh,
flip it.
so that's how you do it?
Mhm. Now we got all of our donuts here.
Plant-based donuts! They're so good!
Tasty.
Never take a donut. No.
Well, that's it for today. And
Yep.
make sure you check out the Vegan Cartel with
And
a K instead of a C.
you.
A K. The K.
On YouTube and Instagram.
What else do you want us to make?
like this.
Yummy. I give it a thumbs up.